welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm going to take you with me to a waterfall. It's on Prospect Road. So guys, come along with me. Hope you will enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends. Guys, give a thumbs up. I've just parked, so I'm gonna get out the vehicle and give you a full view of this park. So this is the waterfall. Oh, guys, look at this. Today is my day off. Tony is not here with me. Prospect Estate. You can do a barbecue here, guys. It's so nice. It is a cold morning and it is a bit wet today. Guys, sometimes when it's in the summer, people come here and they do barbecue. This is a little bridge that I'm gonna walk across. So it's no shopping today. I'm just taking you to a small park. It's not a big park. People keep weddings here too. So that's where I'm coming from. And it's close to the main. That's the parking lot. Guys, you see how it's foggy this morning? It's very cold. Very, very cold. I have to put on boot on my foot.